Okay, I'm going to take you through the process now of unpicking a cover seam. So you can see on the surface, on the top, the upper face, you'll see 2 tracks of needle thread look a lot like 301 lock stitch, and on the reverse of this you'll see the loopers. They're in bulk thread and they run along the back here. So this is typically seen on lots of sort of knitted garments or other types of garments, and can often be used to finish seams off or join the hem of a t-shirt or something. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick up one of the threads on the left hand side, so the left needle thread. So as we're looking at it, we've got a right and a left needle thread, and we're going to pick up a couple of stitches from the left needle thread, and this is generally the one furthest away from the sewn edge. So we'll pick this up along its length and back for a few stitches. Okay, and then when we turn this over, you'll see on the reverse that the loops here have now come free. And then what we're looking to do is try and catch one of the stitches here from the upper needle there. And then we should just be able to draw this out, and then we can clip through that looper, and we can just draw the looper out all the way down to the end. You see it just come all the way out there. And similarly, when you pull the other side, you can see it pulls tight. So what we need to do is make sure we're coming at it from the right end. And again, if we've clipped it correctly, it should just draw out, which it won't in this instance. But if you'd have done it correctly as we started up here, it'll draw out like that along that line. It's important when it gets locked in like this that you then go to the face of it, and looking at it, take a couple of stitches from the left needle thread, the one furthest from the sewn edge generally, pick those back up so they're gone right to the edge here, taking a few of them out, flip it over, see where the loopers are here on the back, and look to cut through one of the loopers that's holding it, and then you should just be able to draw that out. And again, you're drawing out now from right to left all the way along. So you're going to have to make sure that's the way you're drawing out. You try and draw the other way, and like this, it'll just get tangled and pull taut, and you won't be able to draw it out. Okay, so you're working from right to left on these.